Pressure washing this pen now. The system says it's due.
I'll scrape the solids onto the conveyor.
Perfect. Hygiene protocols are all to clean up.
Fresh grass in trough 1, feed in 2. Let's move. Good bulls, clean up. Next pen, keep the pace.
Hip height is 152 cm.
Jaws normal, no swelling.
Moving to the second bull.
Body condition score is 7.
Meanwhile, premium hides move into large soaking tanks inside the leather processing department, advanced treatment systems operating continuously. The hides are immersed in chemical solutions, beginning the transformation. Next, the hides enter the tanning drum, where rotation preserves surface quality and durability. Humidity's at 45%. Keep it steady.
Got it. Loading the last hide. Temp is climbing, that's good.
Surface looks even. Check the grain. Consistent. Flipping it. Underside is clean. No flaws. Agreed. This batch is good. Starting batch 2, this one feels good.
Okay, passing it over. This one's ready for cutting.
Good. Keep the flow going. Stitching is even, no flaws on the leather surface.
Teeth alignment is perfect under magnification. Surface is smooth, no imperfections. This piece passes.
Transport vehicles arrive at the state-of-the-art factory, carrying legally sourced gray Brahman cattle. The white horns and prepared hides are processed as sustainable and high-quality supply chain. Initiate trim on the large horn section. Cut complete. Monitor the next feed. This one's thick enough, but the length is just short. The color on this tit's a bit off. Okay, this one meets all the criteria. Horn material enters the drying chambers, where moisture levels are carefully controlled to maintain durability and natural appearance. Batches are organized by accessory type. Now, selecting pieces for final assembly.
Quality is checked at each step.
The comb's teeth are perfectly aligned, no imperfections. The hinges on these frames are seamless, excellent material. The pen's weight and balance are perfect, a luxury item. The jewelry's gemstones are flawless, exceptional clarity. Handle these with care. They're premium. Understood. This comb is flawless. Good. Place it in the center slot. Perfect. Seal the box. Ready for the next? Initiating automated sequence for comb teeth. Alting talented engaged. Monitor for perfect alignment. Quality check passed. Teeth are uniform and prestige, maintaining strict standards. The threading is precise. Yes, a perfect fit. Securing the nib now. Assembly complete. An elegant instrument. First batch is here. Let's check dimensions and craftsmanship. This leather's grain is consistent. Stitching is precise. This horn handle passes dimensional checks.
Overall appearance and texture are excellent. Approved.
Let's check this horn piece against the export specs.
I'll run the digital scan now. Leather dimensions are perfect. It passes.
Excellent. These meet our premium standards. First batch is here. Let's check dimensions and craftsmanship. This leather's grain is consistent. Stitching is precise. This horn handle passes dimensional checks.
Overall appearance and texture are excellent. Approved.